is a very exciting day in a bride's life, from picking the perfect dress, getting dolled up, to months of preparation. Every detail is accounted for, leading to a night she will never forget. But making sure everything runs smoothly isn't always easy. Emotions are high, makeup is smearing, and there's a chance that the bride's dress could get ruined when her emotions are all over the place. So we have put together 8 tips that will ensure your wedding day ends up perfect without any problems. If you're new to our channel, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to like, share and comment. Get your health in check. You want to look your best on your wedding day, so make sure you schedule for a personal trainer or rethink your current shopping list and incorporate healthier options to get your body snatched for the big day. There are bound to be cameras everywhere that will capture all angles, so it's best to get in shape. You don't want to have to rethink the special wedding dress you picked out. Designate a bathroom buddy. With the number of liquids you'll be consuming on your big day, it's no shocker that you'll be heading straight to the bathroom on several occasions. With all the laying and fabric, you might need someone to come along with you to the toilet, so get one of your bridesmaids to help. Waterproof makeup. So no matter how much you try, you're bound to shed a few tears on your big day. It's the most important and happiest day in your life, so no one will judge you if you get a bit teary. We are not saying hold back the tears, but we want to give you tips that will allow you to cry all you want, but still look amazing. Invest in some waterproof makeup. It's a real lifesaver in situations like this, so make sure you recommend it to your makeup artist before the day. Book a spa treatment. Even though you have made all the important decisions and everything is finally coming together, things can get a little stressful on the days leading up to the wedding. Finalising wedding guests and packing for your honeymoon, you'll probably want some me time. Book a facial or a massage the weekend before. Get to the spa and relax. This is the only time you'll get for yourself before the big day, so make it count. Beauty sleep. Getting a few extra hours in makes a lot of difference. Staying alert and attentive on your wedding day is very important. Make sure you get enough sleep prior to the day. You don't want to be falling asleep while your mum gives an emotional, heartwarming speech. Less is more. You have probably heard this phrase many times now, but for your wedding day, this will probably resonate with a lot of things like decorations, makeup, perfume, guests, and much more. Try not to bombard your wedding with all your 6-year-old fantasy. Less is more. Try and stick to a plan and make appropriate decisions. It's not only about you. Even though your guests have come far and wide to see you marry the man of your dreams, the big day is not all about you. Many people have worked very hard to put this day together. So don't forget to give your bridesmaids pep talks, encourage them, and send out thank you cards to your guests. And remember to tip the bar staff. Accidents will happen. Even on wedding days, accidents can happen, but don't let that ruin your day. Have a bottle of water on hand to keep you hydrated, and always remember the reasons of why you're getting married to calm yourself down. Which one of these wedding tips will you try? Let us know in the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Visit us at www.eventbrite.com, where we connect to the world with event service providers. Follow us on all our social media platforms. Hope you enjoyed this video.